Well, we woke to a light snow this morning. We're going to do it again tomorrow morning. Again, the heavier, further south you go in our state. I-94 southward looks to be the most of it. So we'll first alert you to the fact that there is going to be snowy conditions again first thing in the morning. The low temperatures last night stayed in the teens. We were able to get back to the mid-20s. So cleaning up that snow was a lot easier when you're at 25 degrees. We'll fall back to the middle teens tonight as the next system moves in. There are some winter weather advisories for Calhoun, Jackson, Washington County southward. This starts around midnight and goes into almost the noon hour of Friday. This light on again, off again snow. Now there's winter storm warnings. The pink shades are southern end of Lake Michigan. That's because of some really heavy lake effect snow is going to go on Friday and Saturday. So the first alert is just about another band of snow in the morning hours. So that arrives with about an inch or two in far north. I think Lansing's around 2, maybe 3 when you get further down. And Jackson could be as much as 4 inches. It's the real light stuff, just like we saw this morning. Easy to get rid of, but that still makes the roads very slick. And there were a lot of accidents this morning in that I-94 corridor. We're not alone. The winter weather advisories stretch all the way into Pennsylvania. This system that's coming out of Canada will join up with another low going up the Appalachian chain. So they're going to get a much bigger system there. Behind it, it gets windy again, and we tug in the cold air. Not as cold as the start of the week, but still wind chill advisories out west. We will see our wind chills go below 0 by evening hours tomorrow. A few flurries around here this evening. That is not the weather maker, though. It's further to the west, and you can see the cold air is going to wrap back around. When the low goes by Friday, we'll be back down to below 0, and the actual air temperature by Friday night and keeps us in the teens basically for the upcoming weekend. So as we expand out, you see the snow spreading across Iowa just like it did 24 hours ago. This might have a little more vigor with it in southern communities tonight. So the hour by hour shows that little bit of light snow moving in. That'll be around through the morning hours. This system's going to join up with the East Coast system, and they'll have a much bigger weather maker. But we'll be in the on again, off again light snow throughout the night and the morning hours, and that's enough to lay down that 1 inch far north to 4 inches far south, and it's the light fluffy kind. There's that band of heavy snow coming down Lake Michigan. Really not advised to go around the southern end of the lake, southwest Michigan through northern Indiana, even Chicago by Saturday afternoon. We'll have some flurries on Saturday, breezy and chilly. Sunday should be a mostly sunny day by late afternoon after some morning cloud cover is around, and we'll start to bring the warmer weather in next week. But that doesn't come in clean. We might have some issues with freezing rain and some snow mix going into Monday night and early next week. When you look at the snowfall, most of the snow is going to be from not only this morning, but Friday morning, a little bit off of Saturday, and then Monday into Tuesday will be our next chance of getting some icy conditions. 7-day outlook, it's all about snow showers the first half of the day tomorrow. Late day sunshine as north winds kick in. Temperatures will be falling to single digits by dinner, below 0 overnight. Saturday's got a few flurries off the lake, another breezy day with some sun mixed in. Sunday as well, temperature around 20 by late on Sunday. We're going to warm up during the day on Monday and bring in a chance of some freezing rain and snow overnight. It becomes rain and snow on Tuesday, and then the milder air will be here by the middle of next week when we finally get back to 40.